red. Crunchy and sweet, crunchy and sweet. They keep us strong from head to feet.
Banana are
Yellow. So soft and long. They give us energy all day long.
give us
Ground. Are juicy. Red and green. They help our bodies stay fresh and clean. Oranges. Round and juicy. Gives us vitamin C to keep us clear. Strawberry. Red and full of delight. They help our skin to glow so bright. Guava is tasty. Green or pink. It keeps our tummy feeling right. Fruity. Yum. Eat them up, they make you strong. Big and small, round and tall. Fruits are healthy, best of all. Mango. Yellow. Sweet and gold. It gives you strength in summer heat. Watermelon melon, watermelon big and green. A summer friend. Summer friend. Keeps us hydrated till the end. Pear. Our song, juicy and round. It makes our heart healthy and sound.